Yes, it is Friday, but that's no need. That does not mean for you to still be sleeping in that bed and being lazy all day. It does not mean it. I hope each and every last one of you all who are watching this video are taking the necessary steps during this pandemic as far as staying clean, as far as staying healthy, as far as doing things, as far as active, but remaining clean while you are being active. Let's get into today's video because this is Van Jr. from What My Teacher Wears, checking back at you guys again with what I would have worn to work. Getting dressed with me on a Friday. If I would have been able to go to work, this is possibly what I would have worn. So first and foremost, if you have not subscribed to the channel, stop what you're doing, do it now. If you have not liked this video and in my previous videos, because I know you're gonna like this video right here, go ahead and hit the like button. Just do me a favor, hit it. Don't forget to also smash that bell notification icon so you never miss a video. Let's get right into it. Like I always tell you, I always center my fits around one simple piece. Well, not simple, but one piece. In this particular case, it's going to be these pants. These are some plaid pants. I really and truly love these pants. I'm going to be absolutely honest. I actually got these pants off eBay. I probably got these pants off eBay maybe 5 years ago. I think I got them off eBay for like 5 years ago, like 10, 15 bucks. Crazy grab. I really love the pattern play within them. As you see, guys, I kind of just paired it with a simple just t-shirt. Again, this Friday, so I'm very relaxed on Fridays. I'm going to be honest. A whole lot of times you won't catch me in a suit and a tie on a Friday. Will you catch me in a suit and a t-shirt on Friday? Yes. But a suit and tie, very seldom will you catch me in a suit and tie on a Friday. And so what I did was I wanted to bring out, because you can't really tell just based off the video, but there are some slight hints of gray within these plaid pants, and I wanted to actually bring those out with just this gray hoodie. I got this hoodie from, I think the website is Zamage, Z-A-M-A-G-E, Zamage.com. This hoodie ended up costing me, I think, about 15 bucks, and I put my logo, my stamp on it. But I love the material. I love how athletic, almost the fit is within this hoodie. It's not a very loose hoodie, but it is more stretchy in it, and it does have a dry fit look, which I really love. And I like how the kind of like the gray up and down. I just love it. I love it. Back on this watch, guys. Back on this watch. I told you my wife, she got me this watch. I absolutely love this watch band. It just really elevates the look. I'm literally going to tell her to also order me the gold one like this, because I really like this watch band. I just like the elevated and elegant look of it. But I just paired just this simple look, guys, with just a simple black sneaker that I wore the other day, yesterday as a matter of fact. With this look, again, Fridays, I don't really do too much as far as with the things that I wear, but I still want to be presentable just in case I meet somebody for the first time. I'm still rocking something that's still like, oh man, oh man, well, those pants are dope. Okay, I see you dripping with the plaid. So I still want to wear a piece that still catches the eye of somebody, although I'm extremely relaxed in this particular situation. But that's enough for this week's Getting Dressed with Me. Make sure you stay tuned. Next Monday, we are coming back at you with more bangers on what I would have worn to work starting Monday at 12:30. The videos will be dropping. If you want me to drop them earlier, drop a comment. Let me know. Yo, I need these videos as soon as I wake up, man. I need them. If that's the case, drop me the comments down below. I am going to catch up on my YouTube comment. I know I have been slacking. I've been slacking, but I'm going to catch up on them. I promise you. But until next week, man, I'll holler at y'all, man. I see you when I see you.